na nĩ mĩena yothe. Yuko sawa?
And a time has come for us to put the political differences, put them aside, and make sure that we speak with one voice. I am also on record having said that His Excellency, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, also played a critical role in ensuring that I got that seat. It was not easy, I must confess, it was not easy because of the different interests that were there. But he stood with me, he also stood with me, and the rest of the mountain also stood with me. And that is the reason I have said, as a matter of principle, that as a mountain people, we must speak together. We must speak together so that we make sure that the projects that are ongoing, for example, the Mau Mau Road, you know, the one that is actually connecting Nyeri and Nyandarua, which I think there were some challenges here and there. We must speak and say that that road must be done.
We have reached out to others. Even you have heard the Deputy President himself express himself in Nyeri that he has invited the MKF and all other bodies, the GEMA and others, to come and join us together as we support him and William Ruto to achieve what they have promised. That one should not fool us to think that going ahead we will never be there. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you, politics is not a love affair. It is driven by interests. And the interests must be the interest of the people.